Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can remove an account or profile from Amazon Prime Video. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I am on the website right now, and what you want to do to actually remove the video is hover over your profile picture, then go into manage profiles. Once you're here, as you can see, I only have one profile. I have another kid's profile, and I can add new. Here, you need to select which profile you want, and then click edit profile, and then from there, you're going to want to remove your profile, and that looks something like this. Let me just go back really quickly, click edit profile, click the pencil there, and then you can edit this profile here. You can edit your pin and locks, streaming languages, and then you can remove the profile. However, since this is the account holder's profile, it can't be removed, and I don't have time to set up a new profile. But that is pretty much it. You just go edit profile, click this here pencil, then click remove profile, for example in this kid's profile, and as you can see, you can either keep or remove it. I'll just keep it. And that's pretty much as easy as it gets. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.